There he is. Golly, he's a fighter too. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Get out of there. Heck yeah, look at the breast on that sucker. Golly, we about to take on water. Lee. Look at the video. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? Welcome back, channel. About 2 days ago, we went out and caught a bunch of catfish, grabbing, noodling, and I got sunburnt. And I'm trying to do my best to keep the sun off the top of my ears and off my forehead today. But listen, we're back out here again today, and we're gonna do some brim fishing. We're gonna see if we can't get into some of those great big brim that I absolutely love to catch. Today, I got my beautiful wife with me. She's probably questioning some of the decisions that I've made in life, but nevertheless, she's here and she's fishing with me, and we are gonna have a blast. You guys stick around. I think you're gonna have fun today. There he is. There he is. That feels like a pretty... oh yeah. Come here, baby. Look at there, guys. That's a beauty, ain't it? There's usually two in there. There he is. There he is. He ain't very big, or he's either not big or he's coming straight to the boat. Look at there, guys. That is so fun. Nice. And a worm, or you can fish both sides of that sucker right there. Man, I love this thing. Look at there. Look at there. I told you. He's there. He's there. Oh, he's there. Is it a big one? I can't tell yet. He's acting like a big grown fish. Look at there. Looky here, looky here. Golly, what a fish. Whew. Let's see what Mama got back here. God, look how thick that sucker is, Anna. Big old forehead. Look at that right there, guys. That is a monster. Good fish. Got him. You got him. Oh, right in the nads. What is this about? The boat's not that big. Getting beat up back here. Look there. Heck yeah. What's up, guys? Listen here, this Sombrero has got some room for shade, but man, my subscriber count needs a little sunshine, and I'd really appreciate it if you would walk right over there to that subscribe button and go and click on it for me. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh, I had him. There he is. Oh, it's a good one. Woo! Come on, baby. Come in here. Come in here to daddy. That's what. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Daddy didn't get him. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. There he is. There he is. I don't know how big he is, but he's on there. And that's a worm, baby. Come here, big worm. Oh, yeah. Come here. Heck yeah, y'all check out the forehead on that sucker. God, it's peeing all over my drink. Crap. It peed in my drink. Look at there, guys. Now that right there, my friend, is a brim. Look at his tail, it's all messed up. There he is. There he is. There he is, right there. Come on, baby. Be a good one. Be a good one. Oh, yeah. Heck yeah. Look at here. Mama back there on the phone. Daddy getting it done, baby. That's a good one there. Alright, I'm getting a bite, Mama, right there. There he is. Got him. Got him. He's a runner, boy. Woo! Golly! Get out of there. Get out of the hole. I'm going around. I'm going this way. Trying to get out of the hole. Got a little blood on that one. Here when I caught that fish. Oh, got him. Got him. Golly, look at him run. That's gotta be a good one, guys. Gotta be. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Look at this. Heck yeah. Get him. Get him. Get him. That may be a bass. That may be what it was. If that's a brim, that's a good one. Oh!
Oh, nice.
Yeah. What? You gonna need a... I got it. I can't even hardly hold that sucker. Ow, I want to show him to you guys on the camera. Look at that. That is a dandy. Good fish, Anna. Look at there. My woman catching them things, boy. Get him. Ooh, ooh. That's a fighter there now. Is it a good one? Oh, yeah.
Tracy, y'all come over here.
That is a nice one. Hold that. I knew this one would be. Get him, get him, get him. Golly, that sucker is fighting. Y'all look at here. Look at her. I'm talking about got the pole bent over. Well, come on, get him in here. That's a good one, too. That is a good one. Golly, what a fish. Oh, let me get this one while you're doing that. We doubled, Mama. Look at here. Look at here. Here. That's a good one, too. Come on. Y'all get up in here this right there. Look at here, guys. Quiet. Quiet. It's already got my drink. Look at there. Guys, that's two right there we put in there. May have big trouble in Little China. All right, here you come. Right there, babe. Oh, get out of there. Come on here. Are you big? I can't tell. Yeah, that's a good one. Heck yeah, guys. Look at here. Look at that. That is a nice brim right there. Get him, Mama. Golly. You jerked that sucker plumb up in there.
Not that big.
There it is.
Nice. Get him, Mama. Get him. Get him. Man, you got that sucker corked plumb under the boat.
Iffy. Fatty. Little fatty.
Look at there. Nice. Guys, that splashes right up my britches leg. There he is right there. Got him. Ooh, that's a good one. Oh, he jumped. Where's he at? Oh, here he is over here. Heck yeah. That sucker jumped. He thought he was a bass, y'all. Look at here. I gotta get him in this boat. Look at here. Golly, what a fish. Holy moly. Look at that. There he is right there. Oh, oh, come on, baby. Oh. What we got here? Big old Bream. Come on. Come on here. Heck yeah. Look at there, guys. That tree right there. Is that in there? That tree right there. There he is right there. Look at that. Look at there. Look at there. He was in there. Look at there, guys. He was in there with her. Golly, that's a pretty fish right there. Well, folks, Anna and I managed to haul in about 15 absolute unit bluegill today. And by we, Anna probably caught the most of them. I guess I was just there to add comic relief. It was such a fantastic day on the water, and let me tell you, I was already rocking a beautiful lobster red complexion from 2 days ago when we went noodle fishing. You know, because apparently I never learned my lesson about sunscreen the first time around. Thank goodness for this magnificent sombrero. Sure, I look like I'm about to serenade someone with a maraca ballad, but when your head is already glowing like a beacon, you do what you gotta do. Plus, Anna says it makes me look distinguished, which I'm pretty sure is wife speak for at least you finally learning something, you walking sunburn. So until the next aquatic adventure, where I hopefully remember the SPF 50 is a thing, and maybe catch more than just a sunburn, keep those lines tight, stay in the shade, and remember, if you're not having fun, you're probably not wearing a big enough hat.